Think all teen boys have the same type of earwax? Not even close. Earwax can naturally vary in color, texture, and amount from person to person. What looks unusual to one person may be completely normal for another. That's why many people use gentle ear care tools to better understand their ear hygiene habits and improve visibility. Fun fact, earwax helps trap dust before it travels deeper into the ear. Did your earwax surprise you the first time you saw it up close? Share your experience below. Have fun and enjoy.